Brik Ramshu, good evening. My dear students, today we come across with another lesson, lesson 9. Very beautiful and meaningful lesson. It speaks of two leaders. The lesson is titled as Farewell of Moses and Aaron. Farewell of Moses and Aaron. Moses and Aaron say bye-bye to each other. Okay? Farewell of Moses and Aaron. See how it is written, Moses. Who is Moses? Moses is a biblical character. And Aaron is also a biblical character. The biblical characters, Moses and Aaron, are taken from the Old Testament, the Holy Bible. Okay? See how it is written. Moshe u Aharon, Omarin pushba Shalomo lachadodu. How it is written? Moshe, Moses. Moshe, Moses, Aharon, Wu is prefixed to Aharon. Aharon means Aaron. Aharon. Omarin says, Omarin, says, push means stay, stay. Push, Omarin, push, Bashalomo. Both the particle is prefixed to Shlomo, Bashalomo. Here Shlomo, the Syriac word begin with a vowel sheen. That's why the prefixed bet is with futoho, vowel. See? Push Bashalomo. Bet. Bashalomo. Push Bashalomo. Lachadodo, to each other. Lachadodo. Okay? Shalom, good night. Brik Zaparo, good morning. Brik Taharo, good afternoon. Brik Ramsho, good evening. Shalom means good night. Saying a kind of farewell. Bye-bye. See we again. Okay? Then, see the title of the lesson. Moshe wa Aharon Omarin pushba Shalomo lachadodu. Moshe, Moses, and Aaron, Omarin pushba Shalomo lachadodu. It says, stay in peace to one another. That means farewell of Moses and Aaron. The meaning of the title of the lesson is farewell of Moses and Aaron. Or Moses and Aaron says, stay in peace to one another. Lachadodo, to one another. Okay? This lesson is written by Mor Balai. This lesson is written by More Balai. How it is written? Balai. More. More means saint, a holy person. More. More. Balai. 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 More Balai. See? Lai. Balai. More Balai is the author of the lesson. He is the author of the lesson. Who is the author of the lesson? More Balai. More Balai lived in the first half of the 5th century. We are in 21st century. Okay? See, More Balai lived in the first half of the 5th century. Nothing is known of the life of this poet except that he was a cor episcopus. Cor episcopo means a bishop of village. It is an ecclesiastical title taken from Greek. Cor episcopo, episcopo, bishop. Cor, village. Cor episcopus, a bishop of the village. Perhaps in the area around Aleppo, Aleppo in Syria, perhaps an area around Aleppo, he lived in the area of, in the place of Aleppo. Okay? Many short liturgical supplication hymns in the syllable, in the 5-syllable meter are attributed to him. Many of the liturgical supplication hymns in the 5-syllable are attributed to him. The 5-syllable is typical to More Balai, and it is also known as the meter of Balai. The meter of Balai. See the text. Yemar Muse Shel Bashlomo. How it is written? Yemar Muse. Yemar Muse. Shel Bashlomo. Shel means go. Yemar Muse. Moses said. Yemar, he said. Muse, Moses. Moses said. Yemar Mose. Shel. Shel means Shelun. Shel. Go. Shel. Go. Long addenda form. Shel. Yemar Mose. Shel. Bashalomo. Bashalomo. Go in peace. Shlomo. Shlomo means peace. Here, peace, the word is one another name for the absolute being. Moses said to Aaron, go in peace. Go in peace means go in the presence of God, or be always in the presence of God, the absolute being. Here Moses is the leader of Israelites. There are two leaders. One is the priest Aaron, and the other one is the Moses, the prophet of Israel. See? Emar Muse Shel Bashlomo. Moses said, go in peace. To whom? To Aaron. Moses said to Aaron, go in peace. Okay? Then, Koheno Urgimo, the loving priest, Koheno priest. Urgimo, the loving priest. Koheno Urgimo, the priest who loves other, who takes care of the other. Okay? The loving priest, the priest, the one who was always in love with the other leader, Moses. Koheno Urgimo, the Beth Aluhu, the loving priest of the house of God, the Beth house. The Beth, Baito, the constructive form of Baito is Beth. the Beth, the loving priest of Dolet, of Beth Aluhu, house of God. Beth Aluhu. See how it is written? Aluhu. Here the priest, the Aaron is the priest, loving priest. And he dwells or lives in the temple, in the house of God. He is always in the presence of God. Okay? He is in the house of God. That means he is always in the presence of God. Okay? Then, Aho Urhimu, Yemar Harun, Yemar Harun, Yemar, he said, Yemar, Aharun. How it is written? Aharun. See, Aaron. Aharun. Yemar Aharun. Here Aaron said. Aaron replied. Aaron answered. Aaron said, Push Bashalomo. Stay in peace. Push. Push means stay. Push Bashalomu. Shlomo, Bashalomu. Push Bashalomu. Push Bashalomu means stay in peace. Aaron said to Moses, Moses the leader, stay in peace. Bribe in the presence of the God, living God. Okay, stay in peace. Then, Aho Irhimo. Aho Irhimo means the loving brother. Here the Aaron addresses Moses, the loving brother, the loving brother. Aho Irhimo. Aho brother. Irhimo, loving. Irhimo, Aho Irhimo, the loving brother. Who is the loving brother of the priest? Aaron. Moses is the loving brother of the priest, the Aaron. Aho Irhimo, the Rahame. The Rahame means who loved. Who, Dolad here means who. Who loved. Rahame, More. More, his master. Aho Irhimo, the Rahame. The Rahame. The Rahame. Who loved his master. More, Muriu, Lord, master. More, his master. Third person, masculine singular is suffixed. More. More. See? Aho Irhimo, the Rahame, More. The loving brother who loved his master. Who is the loving brother who loved his master? Here the leader of Israelite, Moses, is the loving brother who loved his master. Who can give love? The one who loves his master. Who is here the master? Master is the absolute being, Lord. Here Moses, the leader, is very obedient to his master. And he loves his master in fullness. And the one who loves his master gives or imparts, gives love to the near ones. Okay? See? Aho Irhimo, the Rahame, More. The loving brother who loved his master. Then, Yemar Moshe. Yemar Moshe. Moses said, Yemar. It is a dialogue in between Moses and Aaron. Yemar Moshe. Moses said, Sheil Bashalomo. Sheil Bashalomo, go in peace. Sheil Bashalomo. Sheil Bashalomo, Yamar Moshe. Moses said, Sheil Bashalomo, go in peace. Go in peace. Move with the absolute being. Be always in the presence of the absolute being. Okay? Meditate on the absolute being. Go in peace. Kohano the Asik. Kohano the Asik. Kohano priest. Moses said to Aaron, Kohano. The Asik. Here, the means who. Asik means offered. Asik. Asekuf. Not kof, but kuf. The Asik, Kohano, the Asik. O priest who offered Dabahe means sacrifice. Dabahe means sacrifices. What kind of sacrifices? The priest who offered sacrifices. What kind of sacrifices? Shalme, perfect sacrifices. Shalme. Shalme means perfect sacrifices. The priest who offers perfect sacrifice can please the absolute being. Only can please the absolute being. The one who offers perfect sacrifices. In order to offer the perfect sacrifice, he himself wants to be holy. He himself wants to be holy. See, Kohano the Asik Dabahe Shalme. O priest who offered Dabahe Shalme, perfect sacrifices. For Moses, Aaron is the priest who offered perfect sacrifices in and throughout his life. Okay? Perfect sacrifices. Here, perfect sacrifice means the pure sacrifice, the sacrifice that pleases the absolute being. Perfect sacrifice. The man who is holy can offer perfect sacrifice. The only one who is holy can offer the perfect sacrifice. See, Yemar Aharun, and Aaron said, Yemar Aharun, and the Aaron said, Pushba Shalomo, stay in peace. Push. Bashalomo, in peace. Repeated sentence. Bashalomo, in peace. Yemar Aharun, Aaron said, O Moses, stay in peace. Be with the divine presence. Dwell in the divine presence. Move with the absolute being. And always think of the absolute being. Receive the guidance of the absolute being. Because you are the leader. Okay? Stay in peace. Aho Daziyar. Aho, oh brother, Daziyar, who performed. Aho means brother. Daziyar. Siyar, performance. Performed. Siyar. Daziyar, Dorad is prefixed to Ziyar. Daziyar means, here Dorad means who. Daziyar, who performed. Who performed. Kul, every, all, or all. Kul, every, or all. Kul gabaravoto. What does it mean? Gabaravoto. Gabaravoto, plural form, Gabaravoto. Gabaravoto means mighty acts. Who performed the mighty acts? Moses performed the mighty acts. Where? In the desert. While leading the Israelites to Canaan, Moses performed 10 different mighty acts, miracles. Okay? Here Aaron addresses Moses, Aho, oh brother, thus ye are who performed Kul Gabaravoto, every mighty acts, every miracles. Here Moses performed the mighty acts by divine help. Moses is a humble man, a human being. He could perform mighty acts, miracles, an act beyond his own capacity. Mighty act, miracle, an act beyond his human nature. It was performed by the help of the absolute being. Okay, see once again. Aho dasiyar kul gabaravoto, oh brother who performed mighty acts. Then see the next line. Yemar Moshe Shel Bashlomo. Here, Yemar. Yemar Moshe, Moses. Moses said, Yemar Moshe. Shel Bashlomo, Shelun, Shel. Shel means go. Shel Bashlomo, go in peace. Bashlomo. Bashlomo, in peace. Shalom is the state of mind and body. It's a state of mind and body, the tranquility of mind and body. Okay? Shalom is a peaceful atmosphere, tranquility of mind and body. It is a divine presence. It comes on the meditation of God, the absolute being. See, here once again, Yemar Moshe Shel Bashlomo. Moses said, go in peace. Go in peace. Koheno, the Samali, Koheno priest. Koheno, priest, oh priest. The Samali means who fulfilled. The Shamali, Dora the who, Shamali fulfilled. Shamali, who fulfilled? Who fulfilled? Sebion More. Sebion More, the divine will. Sebion More. Sebion More, the will of his master. Who fulfilled the will of his master? Moses said to Aaron, O priest, O high priest, the Aaron, you who fulfilled the will of his master. The primary duty of the priest is do the will of his master. Fulfill the divine will is the primary obligation, the duty of the priest. Moses recognized Aaron the priest who fulfilled the divine will, the will of his master. Here the master is the absolute being, God. Okay. See, Aaron replied to Moses, Yemar Aharun, Yemar Aharun, Yemar Aharun, Yemar Aharun. Push Bashalomo, stay in peace. Push Bashalomo. Push Bashalomo, stay in peace. Aaron said, O Moses, stay in peace. Stay in the tranquility of the mind and body. Stay in the presence of God, the peace, the peace, the truth, the way. Okay? Then, Aho, the Aheth. Aho, oh brother, Aho. Brother Moses, Aho, the Aheth. The Aheth. The Aheth. Aho, the Aheth. Oh brother, who brought down. Aheth means brought down, bring down, brought down. The Aheth, Dorath means who. Oh brother, who brought down. Manno. Manno originally taken from Hebrew. Manno. Manno, manna. In Malayalam it is manna. Manno is the word taken from Hebrew, which means, what is it? It is a desert food. It is a heavenly food. It was given to the Israelites on the mediatorship of Moses. Manna, heavenly bread, manno. Manno lu amo for the people. Manno le amo. Le amo for the people. Oh brother, who brought down manno for the people? Who brought down manna for the people? See once again the text. Moshe, Aharun, Omarin, Pushba, Shalomo, Lahadodo. Farewell of Moses and Aaron. Moses and Aaron says, stay in peace to one another. Farewell of Moses and Aaron. See, who was written? Who wrote this poem? The author of the poem is Mo Balai. More Balai. See, Yemar Moshe Shel Bashalomo. Kohano Erhimo du Bet Aloho. Moses said, go in peace, O priest, O loving priest, who dwells in the house of God. O loving priest who dwells in the house of God. Then, Yehemar, Aharun, Pushba, Shalomo. Aaron said, stay in peace. Ahor Himo, O loving brother. O loving brother. The Rahame More, who loves his master. Then, Yehemar Moshe Shel Bashlomo. Moses said, go in peace. Kohano the Asik Dabahe Shalme, O priest who offered perfect sacrifices. Then, Yehemar Aharun Pushba Shalomo. Aaron said, stay in peace. Aho Daziyar Kul Gabravotu. O brother who performed every mighty act. Then, Yehemar Moshe Shel Bashlomo. Moses said, go in peace. Kohano the Shamali Sebion More, O priest who fulfilled the divine will, the will of his master. Then, Yehemar Aharun Pushba Shalomo. Aaron said, stay in peace. Aho Dahet Manno Lo Amo. O brother who brought down manna for the people. Two beautiful lessons. My dear students, give an introduction and develop the ideas into different paragraphs. Give a conclusion and a moral lesson. Okay? Thank you.